Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add or manage apps on your Microsoft Teams. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Microsoft Teams Admin Center. If you go and if you see on the left side navigation, you have this Teams app. If you click on manage apps, here you can add the apps that you want. Let's say you can scroll down and see what apps you wanna have on over there, like this App Studio. If you want to add, you approval, it's like very common, it's being used. So if I want to add this, I click on this and I click allow. So this will be available for users in Teams App Store. Okay, so let's click on allow. Okay, I have one more app option, add to team. So to add a team, like I can search a team and I can do that over there. So I'm not gonna do that in this test video. Permission policies. So I have a like default policy, but if I want to create, I can create, and in that case the custom policy will be yes. We can see what the policy we have, like which Teams app published by Microsoft can be installed, all apps, third party apps, all, custom, all. So I have not restricted, but if I want, I can just do that over here. Setup policy. So again I have the same things, you can always modify it. Customize store. Now what options I have? You can upload a logo for your organization. The logo you choose will appear in the custom apps page of Teams App Store. Organization logo, mark custom background, text color of your organization, like you can do those things. So this is how you can manage apps. So thanks for watching guys.